what it looks like when you live in a cloud. See what they got for breakfast here. Bacon, sausages, 2 types of cabbage, rice and fried chicken, congee, little rice porridge, hard-boiled eggs, a couple juices, and that's what I want right there. Look at that, guys. Literally 3 minutes later and we can see mountains again and the clouds have moved back. Sapa, love it. Early morning Sapa rush hour. Good morning, everybody, or whatever time it is for you. Welcome to day 2, Sapa. I just had an amazing early morning flight session. It was awesome. And now I gotta go find some breakfast. Didn't want the hotel breakfast today. Wanted something better than that. Thank you for joining me on day 2, guys. Again, this trip made possible by GoAsiaDayTrip.com and myself, Brian from For Your Eyes Only. It's 8 in the morning, they're still grilling out here. I wonder if that thing even turns off. One of these sweet little breakfast packets here, 10K. Try it out. Guys, freshman bao. Think I gotta try it. Skeptical, but open-minded. All right, you guys. A ban bao from Sapa. Let's go with the old break down the middle, just in case, you know? The mince pork style with some noodles and an egg. It's not the worst I've had, but the bottom where she pinched it, really tough dough. I just don't like the filling. It's not right. Where's the pork meatball? Just do a pork meatball. Oh, it's really salty too. I'm gonna give a pope on these pretty soon here. All right, this guy. I even. Nice. Sticky rice with some, I believe it's mung bean, I didn't understand what she said, and meat. Whoa, it's black. I just don't like black colored food. I don't know, I think it looks so unappetizing. Like, you know that trend of like squid ink pasta or whatever, it makes it black? I don't think that looks good. It doesn't taste like anything. Anyways, let's just try this. I got no utensils. Break that in the middle. There we go. Good. Normal. Beans really nice. The outside, the black soy doesn't taste like anything. It just tastes like normal soy. It's just the look, I guess. No meat bite yet. I should have got the multicolored soy, the multicolored sticky rice that was hot, that I saw the locals buying. But the intrigue of a banana leaf wrap something got me. Pretty good. It's gonna be what I need for another big trek. All right guys, Sapa, day 2. We're going on a second hike. I think there's a waterfall involved today. Yes. This is my tour group. Moonshine. Moonshine. Yeah. It always happens in groups or with food. I'm like way behind. Wait up guys. Sapa day 2 guys. Another beautiful day. It's like perfect weather. Can't ask for anything more than this. Awesome guys, so we made it to a waterfall here. Beautiful stuff, right? What an amazing day up in the mountains. Sun is shining, beautiful clouds, great temperature. Wow. You guys can see off in the distance there's a cable car from mountain to mountain. That wasn't there in 2015. That is brand new. Okay, I totally wasn't thinking because I was like, Sapa, it'll be cool, but I wish I had my little portable neck fan right now. That would have been awesome. My tour group companions here are trying to get a little like traditional blanket. Pro tip, they are tough bargainers here in Sapa. Wow, it's not a care in the world. These guys hang down here at the bottom, and when you hike down and you're too tired to go back up, they charge you to go up. That's the hustle. Smart hustle. We're still going down a bunch of stairs, but I can hear water now, so we're close to the waterfall, I think. Oh my God, can you hear it, guys? So beautiful. Wow, it definitely changed from the last time I was here, but it's awesome. Came for. Totally awesome. So powerful. Guys, there's nothing more I want to do than get the drone out for you, but I can't, it's not safe. Way too many people. And then like too many electrical lines. I don't know if you can see them, they're everywhere. That's not a good formula for droning, so we're not doing it. I should just go in with my shoes. I basically did that yesterday. Should I go in with my shoes? Just jump right in? I don't have access to a blow dryer before I get on the bus. Okay, we came way down those stairs, across that bridge, up here. All this is new development. Last time we were here, it was all empty, just water. That's a lot of stairs. Also, my heart is definitely sinking walking on this. I love the development they've made in only 2 short years. Like, such major improvements, and it's like so much more enjoyable. It was enjoyable before as well, but now it's just like, wow. First grouse grind of the season. Rickety. Really rickety. Vietnam cardinal sin number 1, jump in a cab without discussing the price first. But you know what? After a hike like that, it don't even matter. All right, today's part of the hike is done. We're just chilling, waiting for lunch now. My legs are beat. Wow. Cheers, guys. Definitely back on the casual beers, but it's kind of like a reward too. All right, set lunch with this tour again, which is awesome. Always better than a buffet, although I love buffets. This is a cream of potato soup. Potato soup, it's good. This is what I got for lunch here. Famous Vietnamese Quai Tai Chin, some sauteed beef, white rice, and a little sauteed veg. I just hope they have decent ketchup here. All right, here we go. All right, ketchup. It's not as bad as last night, but it's not great. I'm gonna use it though. All right, piece of this beef. Some white rice. Hey, that's a good lunch after hiking. Yeah. Really tasty beef. Whoever's using the wok back there knows what they're doing. It's got a good like wok smokiness to it. Well balanced flavor. A little sweet teriyaki styles, I'm gonna say. Tasty. The food on this tour so far, top notch. So good actually. That really makes or break a tour for me personally. Obviously I love food, but 2 awesome days in Sapa, beautiful weather. I'm about to head home now, and it's starting to rain. Perfect. How great is that? Yes, my ride's here. Same limo bus we came up in. Yeah. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. Day 2 of Sapa. Thank you for joining me. Once again, thank you to GoAsiaDayTrips.com for making this possible. I hope you had a great time. I'm just gonna be passing out for a 5-hour bus ride home here. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe this video. Get our channel's name out. Let's increase our full fam membership. Guys, I'll catch you next time for you guys only.